Hello, and welcome to Thursday, October 29th. We are so close to the end of the month. We are finishing up Module 6, and we are finishing up Unit 2. Let's see what we have for today. It's Thursday. We will have Zoom. Let's see what we have to do for async. All right, so you have two activities today in async. You have to do a cover letter quiz. So you go to preview. I will go to preview and the instructions. Okay, where you see the highlighted verb, you conjugate it to the present perfect tense. That means you change it. So where it says for a sense, you pick one, and these questions are fill in the blank. You have to check your spelling and capitalization and X spaces. Okay, so here is an example. So you have all of these blanks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have 8 spaces to put them in. So make sure you do it in lowercase and you have the correct spacing. So if you press space 2 times, it might be wrong. All right. So make sure you read the directions again and fill it in. Okay. And then click submit. Your second async activity is another similar quiz, author's purpose. So you're going to read each one and we have talked about author's purpose. So you are going to determine the author's purpose. Remember PI, persuade, inform, or entertain. Read this one, choose. Read this one, choose. ABC. This one, ABC. Read this one, ABC. This one, ABC, and submit. And that's it for async. Now, for sync, it is Thursday. That means we have our large class together. Okay, so we are going to do some practice with evidence, and then we'll have our Spark Achieve 3000 breakout rooms, where we focus on our article with the questions for tomorrow. Okay, and that's it. Good luck.